Yeah, about time you got here.
Yeah, I've got a lot on my plate now, so, you know, just...
Did they really conquer Earth?
Well, everyone's hiding from giant machines of destruction, if that's what you mean.
Yeah, that's what I mean.
Still?
Yes, still.
Oh, I think they found the Kepler.
That's our ride back to Earth.
Yeah, not anymore. Looks like we have to bring this whole bucket down. Come on!
Oh, now she's in charge.
Congratulations! You found the loudest room in the ship.
Try the central power core. Do some damage here. You'll get results.
If I were an off-switch, where would I be?
Oh, this is highly advanced alien technology. It's not going to be as simple as finding an off switch.
What madness is this?
They found the off switch.
Long have I questioned the wisdom of that accursed switch.
You!
And you must be Mr. Warmongers.
She is the blue imposter's battlemate.
Whoa, time out. Yeah, the two teens are a thing, but there is nothing going on with me and Dr. D.
Nothing?
Nothing!
Then why were you so threatened by my arrival?
I don't know, maybe because you're 9 feet tall?
Denial. It's more than just a river on the planet, which we now control.
Okay, that's right.
Come on, we'd better help.
See? You do care. Now what?
You're the hero, Kimmy. I thought you could do anything.
Piggyback thing really drags down my coolness.
Well, pardon me, not all of us have the power of flight.
Oh, complain. You know, when life gives you lemons...
I complain about the lemons!
Dude, you okay?
Dr. D?
My mind, it's racing. It's uncanny. I see every detail.
Of what?
My greatest plan ever!
To save the world?
Do not make me say those words!
Hope they don't mind if I borrow.
I think they mind. Come on, Dr. D. Is the screaming part of your plan?
So, what do you think, Queen?
It sounds good.
Except for the fact that it's Draken's plan?
Well, he doesn't have the best track record.
Then he's due.
That's one way to look at it. What's Ron think?
He's still a little distracted.
What if Kim goes off to some fancy schmancy college on the other side of the world while I'm stuck at home jockeying for Smarty Mart Employee of the Month?
Warhawk will not be ignored.
I am with you, man, but hey, out of sight, out of mind. You know, she gets wrapped up in her studies. I call, I text, does she answer? Sorry, busy. It's killing me! Ow! Hey, what?
So, you and your little plant potion are gonna save the world?
That's right! This time, for the first time, victory will be mine!
Dr. D, move!
My hypollinator mutagen!
I wish I felt more ready.
I don't like Draken being the Earth's last hope either, but...
Oh, I'm talking about graduation and us and what comes after. This whole thing has shown me that I can't live without you.
Ron, please, get a grip. Nothing